Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify sales strategies with Klaviyo, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Klaviyo account. Navigate to the dashboard where you can access your project's data. Select the Campaigns tab from the main menu. Choose the specific campaign you want to analyze. Click on the Metrics section to view key performance indicators. Review the overall campaign performance metrics. Examine open rates to understand how engaged your audience is. Check click-through rates to evaluate the effectiveness of your content. Analyze conversion rates to see how many recipients took the desired action. Identify which segments performed best during the campaign. Access the Reports tab to generate detailed insights. Customize your report based on specific metrics you want to focus on. Download the report for offline analysis if needed. Use A/B testing to compare different strategies within the same campaign. Create variations of your campaign by altering subject lines or content. Send out each variation to a similar audience segment. Analyze which version performed better based on the same metrics. Review the results to adjust your future campaigns accordingly. Utilize the insights gained to refine your sales strategies. Repeat this process regularly to ensure continuous improvement. Stay updated with Klaviyo's new features for added functionality. Document your findings to establish a baseline for future campaigns. Incorporate feedback loops from your audience to enhance your approach. Implement changes based on data-driven decisions for greater success. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.